We should be perfect in the roles we have, and we should serve our nation.
I learned in this class that we should be disciplined in formal places and why we light up lamp at God.
I learned how to respect the religions and the culture of others, and why the people light their lamps. The theme of lighting the lamp is to
Get
remove
peace, get satisfaction, remove the darkness.
the darkness is that we are fearing about what the thing that is the darkness that we feel, and why the people do fasting. The people
In this class, I will learn how to respect other culture and tradition.
In our life, the first step is developing Shraddha. Developing Shraddha is we respect others. The respect others.
In this class, I have learned how to respect the other culture and tradition, and we should perfect in our roles.
What is the meaning of Shraddha?
Respect.
How can you say we can develop respect for anyone? Tell.
By understanding,
Tell.
by understanding others.
How can you understand others' culture and tradition?
When we go to their
When you go to their culture, when you participate them, you can understand.
by seeing their dressing.
Give one example.
If we go to any Sikh temple, we can see their dressing style different from us. Will happy,
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
be happy to give them.
Why are you happy?
They will. They are also happy.
Why they become happy?
Their problem will solve.
How their problem is solved?
When we give some money,
What do you give someone?
money,
And
food,
plus. Okay, to whom you will give money?
poor people,
And to whom you will give dresses?
beggars.
To whom you will give food?
Poor people, beggars.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Poor people, beggars.
I understand that we have to help needy people and who are poor. We can give some clothes, money, or food.
I understood today topic other religion. I have respect and I to give some money and poor people.
Very good.
Respect each other religions and cultures and work unitely.
I have learned in today's class to respect the traditions followed by other cultures and religions.
I have learned in the class it is important to respect our culture and tradition.
I have learned in the secular classes we have to light the gods to become peace our mind and our families. In this class I have learned about the developing Shraddha and about respecting other cultures, religions, etc.
I have learned in this class that don't disencourage or discourage other culture peoples. Like I learned in this classes how to develop our country and culture and tradition.
I learned this class. We follow right behavior and right setting, and respect others' culture and religion.
I learned in this class how to behave right place and how to be interaction with others.
And I never studied. I used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in exam during exam time. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and study it, as I could not remember things that had been taught to me in class. However, later one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. When I approached my 11th
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
When I approached my 11th standard, the principal called me and said, "Look here, son. I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student, but you never study. I have taken care of you till today. Now I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself." He talked to me for 5 minutes. You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years, but you have only played games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. I used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years and I also was the cricket
Hey,
captain.
look here, Rakoin.
I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. I would go for prayers and all I would do was eat and study. I normally used to copy and pass, but I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do that. When I got a second class, 50% in my SSC, my principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction." This is my memory of my school days. I did lots of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forgot it. I forgot things very easily. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. That is how it works.
Next, please come here. Next, please, member. Next member. Who is reading?
When you are in school and you were doing badly, did the teacher scold up and how did you feel?
I never felt anything. Felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive a caning every week.
When you knew that had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind?
State of mind. Just to lift up the hand and they would cane you. It would hurt badly and then I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play.
You never felt insecure or threatened.
I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was most interested in funny plans. One day I did not want to study. So I created distraction for one whole hour. We played chore police. Every Saturday we were allowed to go into town to see a movie. So what I would do was have no lunch and collect money from 50 to 50 students. I run and buy Saturday on my way back. I would eat to my heart's content. I used to be the leader of gang. We would have gang fights and play strategies. These things used to interest me more than any academics. Students used to book my textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exam.
How did you get?
Come here.
How did you get into the field of architecture?
Next.
In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. I want to join the army. I got my admission letter, but any aunt told it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. My mother said, "Don't join the police force, just do your graduation." So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. There I was to either take French or German. So I had studied French for 7 years. I did not know 7 words of French, so I took German. Then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. Now who would give me admission in another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. So I thought, okay, I will take French. And I started learning French again. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. I was going to an architect's office to learn French.
Was it then that you decided you wanted to do?
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Was it then that you decided you wanted to do architecture?
Actually, it all happened quite by chance. In the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window detail. A window detail is a very advanced drawing. I told him that his drawing was wrong, that the window he had drawn could not open. He then had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. My cousin's husband was surprised. He asked me to draw a few specific things, which I immediately did. He asked me to design a house, and I designed a house. After that, he told me to drop everything and join architecture. We went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exams, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. I got an A plus in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cakewalk. I had never made a plan, but I knew how something looked like from the top. I had never known what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan, what it could look like. I stood first class, first throughout after that. I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. I had a friend called Behram Divecha. We used to have competition between us for designing forts, guns and ammunition. Each of us could design something in an effort to be different. In school, when I was in the second or third standard, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me, see, you are useless in everything else, but your sketches are good. When you grow up, you become an architect. I did not know at the time, but she was right. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and tell her.
Why do you think you did not like studies? Was it because of you felt you could not deal with circumstances?
Read properly. Next.
I was very bad at languages, science and geography. I could deal with maths, was very bad. I just was not interested. I was studying for the sake of studying. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. I would not bother because there was no application of mine there to begin with.
Did you think that what they taught in school was boring, or did you feel that once you understand the concept of what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson?
Living in a boarding school is difficult. We were just living from day to day. Nowadays there are so many tests. Back then whenever we had tests, we used to just copy. The teacher thought that we had...
Hey, Gattika!
There is a contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you?
Well, take some students from my class, those who always stood first or second are today doing very ordinary jobs.
I have come across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinarily today.
In school, I think living our life.
Other no sound.
They made us street smart. I have learned more by doing what I did on my own than what academic would have taught me.
Studies because the personality and skills were there.
Gattika chappu.
You are able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with, and you defined very rules so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do.
I was more interested in other things. If, for example, while in class I started raining outside, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for the day. When students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me and I would cut a button for them for stop using a blade. Discipline in the school was very important and no student would afford to have a button missing.
The
With the
student
chalk
would get
piece he
for a
made
senior
button.
with a full neat uniform, and after that I did not matter.
Next, please.
Coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you will want to give a plant?
अरे वीर कैमरा only face coming, girls face, no hands raising, right? Do you think that different religion people light the lamp?
Disappear the darkness and feeling peace.
The people feel about,
Disappear the
they think that when we light the lamp, the darkness disappear. The darkness of illiteracy, darkness of sadness, darkness of
Darkness of unhappy.
darkness of
Unhappy.
unhappiness also disappear, and lightning of happiness comes, satisfaction comes. Tell.
Fulfillment of attachments with their gods or whom they worship. I learned in this SCP class how we are improved in our life.
From this ACP class, I have learned to respect all the Indians, religions.
I have taken care of you till today. Now I
learned in this ACP class respect the religion and respect the culture and nature. I had learned in this ACP class that three types
Possibilities?
of possibilities that are
Number one, knowledge.
knowledge,
Two,
physical,
and
and
universal.
After taking the ACP class, I have learned about 3 possibilities and I am interested in knowledge.
ACP class I have learned how to be heroic and how to be industrialist like Jamsetji Tata.
In today's class, I have learned about 3 persons who was brave and who was heroic.
In this ACP class, I had learned it is important to be heroic.
From today's ACP class, I have learnt if we have universal possibilities, we will be like the famous personality like Jamsetji Tata.
I learned in this ACP class that how to be heroic and how to be brave.
In this ACP class, I learned about how to be heroic and how to be a knowledge person and how to be a brave person.
Jamsetji Tata having universal possibilities, expanding ourselves, developing Shraddha.
Gattiga cheppu.
Developing Shraddha.
He was having Shraddha for the world.
No, for the nation.
For the world, he was not having any Shraddha. Then, other possibility?
Being heroic,
He was a hero.
he dared to invent new things, how to
By establishing new factory.
by inventing a new method for more crop production.
Okay. Jamsetji Tata did it or MS Swaminathan did? MS Swaminathan you are telling?
Jamsetji Tata.
No, okay. For the
established-
crops, MS Swaminathan. For the industry, Jamsetji Tata. Right. Anything else about Jamsetji Tata? Did he live in harmony? Jamsetji Tata. Did he think about the whole world same? Family members? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this ACP class, I will learn help others and respect to all religions and speak truth only, never tell lies, and do works with bravery. Bravery comes from doing works, and we invent the new things and we establish the new industries.
In this ACP class, I have learned different possibilities. The different possibilities are physical possibility and knowledge possibility and universal possibility.
Mahatma Gandhi respected the nation and developed the
Country.
nationality and country,
Which possibility he was having?
being heroic.
Okay, being heroic. Okay, next, how can you say he was being heroic?
He was fighted.
He fought with the Britishers, correct?
Yes.
Can we say he was having the quality of a hero?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other possibility there in his life?
Seeking perfection.
Seeking perfection. How did he perfected his life? How did he practice his life?
He has fought with it.
He told that I will not speak the lie. He spoke the truth. He struggled only for the freedom. Continuously he went on struggling or not?
Yes.
Finally he got freedom or not?
Yes, sir.
So he perfected his life or not?
Yes, perfect.